Ka jinghyar ka regional committee Assam Meghalaya Shakhanduli haka khat khandriu terek unailar kalong da ka jingtmu ban wanra ya ka jing Sngap upat ba khasi penar bat Karbi kibadan haka jingyakan at hakhanduli nakadaw ka khrdap khrong khajna ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KSA Hendrai katkum ka bapa haka jingyalang ki regional committee na kalyang upat Karbi ulawan ra shisendon yakamat yakren pinbet puat ha kajingyalang kabalong ha border police outpost ka Assam Hakhanduli na kalyang welcome teron uwe na kiriyo rangbah ka Karbi na umpanay ulaong ba kajingtmu ban penpai biang yaka block 1 syaka Jante Hills menchwa bat menta ka West Jante Hills kadai ka babakla ulakan thoru ya ka sarkar Meghalaya haduk menta kampat kedau ya uput usam batikena jangka bat kala syukam ya ka block 1 ba ka hap ha Meghalaya Hendrai katkum ka notification khat khandai spa san phuwai ka khanduli ka hap ha Assam.
We have nothing to get and we have nothing to give to Meghalaya. We maintain our earlier stand that the constitutional boundary lines fixed in 1951 as per the recommendation of Boundary Commission kalabang se status quo ante se maintain ng po. Laban lang itong claim Block 2 ke historically belongs to Jante Hills begitu. Argumenting ke this is not wrong. This is wrong. This is wide off the mark like a chalk shape pig law. Block 2 belongs to Karbi Kingdom which choosing as its capital. Non Karbi ariso dak rongarak situlang kalima la sila ke historically dak adim do toxic they claim by some pressure group and successive go of Meghalaya that block 1 block 2 belong to Jante Hills. Historically this is not wrong. This is not true. Why it was transferred to Mikir Hills? There is a big question here. Why there was initial state of opposition from Punar. Wait. There was opposition from Punar brothers living in Block 1 and Block 2. But later on, good sense prevailed, and a population survey was conducted, and it was found out that 75%. I am not saying it. It's the census report says. And this census report was prepared by Mr. Pakenten, not by the Karbi officer, by Jante officer, Pakenten IAS. And in the report says that 75 to 80% of the population belongs to Karbi tribe. So taking comparative Mikir and Puna population into consideration, this area is transferred to Mikir Hills and the matter ended here.
Here is right and clear. This is one Boithalang.
The matter ended here. Now the question is that, we have no any issue with Meghalaya people. Only if that constitutional boundary, I call it status quo ante, is maintained, there will be no problem. They are Punars are our brothers, and I call it this is anti-tribal conspiracy. This give and take is an anti-tribal conspiracy, and a conspiracy to divide the tribal people. Okay, government of Meghalaya has formulated a policy give and take.
Yes.
It clearly indicates that after the talk is resolved, say now Meghalaya is demanding PCR, Khanduli, Mukro, etc. etc. This area will be transferred to Meghalaya. But Meghalaya government has not specifically clarified. If at all we have to transfer this area to Meghalaya, which village they are going to give us from Meghalaya? Jawai, Nongpo, or this Solia Karbi village, or Rongado Karbi village of Ripoy. Let them specify, then only we'll talk. They should not object.
Okay, why?
They should not object. This is because we maintain that this is within the administrative jurisdiction of Karbi Autonomous Council. This is a constitutional body constituted under Section of the Constitution of India. And Council is empowered to arrange entry gate anywhere. Why people should object this? Why the truth is that Karbi people did not impose the blockade. It is the Karbi people who impose the blockade. It is they who impose the blockade, not we. That is the problem. So we welcome this peace talk or not peace talk. But we have been insisting time and again, many times, that let us talk among ourselves. Our people have suffered a lot. Let us talk and remove this small hindrance. People objecting this erection of entry gate. This is within the right, constitutional right of the country. We should let them talk. They should not have come and destroy it by force. That is the problem. And after that incident, these people imposed the blockade. It happened. At that time, during the chief ministership of Captain Sngap and Lapang was the minister, they are demanding the wholesale transfer of Block 2 and Block 1. We went to Mekhres Secretariat, we went to Lapang South, we went to Maulong South, we talk and talk and talk. So, the police peacefully. I know what we did. It's not we who imposed the blockade, it's they. I think we had 2-3 meetings on this. Now the problem is, all this area for the time being, after some time, cannot guarantee. But for the time being, it is within the administrative jurisdiction of Karbi. So what your people do? I can show you the evidence. They will acquire land from Karbi province. And just after acquiring the land, they would go to Jowai and procure another land document from Khajate District Council. So there is conflict. We are saying, GCOM and cultural will help, but you must possess this land document from
President Karbi Students Association Mirjang Kro ulakran shai baka jingpynbeit puat kadai banlong kat kom ka notification khat khandai spa san phawai ulapen sngauru ba kwa bakandon ka jingyakan at kombaja Manipur hapdeng kijat benrio khasi benar bat Karbi bat ka sarkar arliang mamla kidai ban bishar bin ban pynbeit ya upot usam Assam Meghalaya. Ula ongru kani ka meeting ka baningkong jangbaro arteli ki sarkar henry ulakran shai bala betha yakini ki jaj benrio khasi penar bat Karbi banjiet chakano ka jela ki kwa ban penyaso bat ula pentep baka KSA kamla ban pedang da lele bat wat tang shi and shi ka jaka jangki Karbi kamdei ban let Meghalaya.
La first visit Meghalaya la ben Assam Sokara dum la ini lo la song bang ben puthot meeting do thu lang pu sedami sialam nang klang rang do jongsi komane atum hopu Meghalaya ben ladak Assam na kedo aning hang la ben Assam arlo kedo atum jongsi Meghalaya aning hang kedo aning hang lang tum ban hang ra taun epu la so lambang ke ninduk lo la lambang ke nil tum ke chkro do dekhe. We have our own constitutional boundary, which the both state government have to accept. If the both governments doesn't accept the constitutional boundary which we have right now, it will create a ruckus, and as we have already experienced that there have been many sporadic incidents around here. And it can escalate in the further in the coming days. Now, our concern is if our land if our land will be transferred to Meghalaya, then I can sure say that the situation will get worse, and it might be the same situation like in Manipur, and we are afraid of the lives of our people and the properties of our people. So I once again request both the government to just stick by the constitutional boundary which we existingly have. I don't think that there is a boundaries issue. Our boundaries are clear. There is no boundary issues out here. The people out here in Khanduli, they are encroachers. I would say they are encroachers. I can clearly mention that. And Khanduli belongs to Karbi and belongs to Assam. This is clear.
Can you tell me till what area you claim that Khanduli belongs to?
You can just refer to the constitutional boundary which we have. It's notified. It's not that we are claiming. This is not claiming. We are not claiming. This is a notified boundary. This is a notified boundary which we have.
Means you are against this meeting also.
We are not against this meeting because we need peace.
Yes.
There are many violence that has happened, and we are afraid that this sort of violence doesn't happen in coming days. So, like, for building a peace in this area, in the bordering area, the notified constitutional boundaries should be accepted and should be maintained. That's all. We have accepted our Khasi brothers, Garo brothers and Jaintia brothers who are living in Karbi Anglong as our own. They are the citizens of Karbi Anglong. We have no problem with that. We live with them, we love with them, we play with them, we cry with them. There is no problem with that. But the issue is about the land. And everyone should know that land is very serious issue.
Shwa kani ka jingyalang, kaladon ka jingyalang hamadan yale kai Khanduli, but hadian ka regional committee kalalet jurep ya ka entry tax gate balabo da ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KSA ha Khanduli.
Previously, we had the contractor, the house also house. What are this? These people are? These people are Khasi people. Please let us move fast.
Today you have an arrest, right? But you will have to take people's, willingness also, right?
On the 15th, 14th, and the 17th, it was dismantled. After that, due to that problem, we had kept this force because it takes. Now it seems it's being interpreted as such that this is the gate. No. It's not the gate. It's just our picket for this is our response team.
This is not a gate actually.
This is our response team because it takes 1.5 hour from Hamran to reach here. This is the nearest
But
force.
we can do one thing. We can do one another thing. Where is the 0 point?
It's better to
Where you don't have demand. There is a point, right? That you had no demand.
Actually, as
Right?
per
From this area you don't have demand.
before, actually, normally, right, you the gate, best for you to set a gate at 0 point. And the rest will demark finally, after the addition by board executives. That is usually happen.
After demarcation, then
Yeah. After demarcation, within your border, no. But till then, sir, till
Then it should be here.
It should be.
Demarcation thing will be resolved by within another 2 months.
You see, we came here not to give decision.
Yeah, you got it. We'll
We
tell.
both of us to listen the opinion from both sides of the people. We respect the second people.
Na kalyang ka Meghalaya, lalam khmat da chairman ka regional committee, ubadairu usimbut menteri rangbah ka jela Sngap halang dhar, ha ka jingdanlang ukamingwan umban menteri ka sarkar jela, unujor ki sungo MLA ka moka yaw, katba na kalyang ka Assam, lami khmat da upijosh Hazarika, menteri ketenat water resources ka sarkar Assam, Urup Singh Teran, MLA Arpaubai Tha Langso, Uhet Singh Rongpar, MAC KAAC, Udi Uping, Maslai EM KAAC, U Avijit Kro, MAC KAAC. Hadian kani kinongyalam ka regional committee kilahyar sacha 0 point ka Khanduli bat kilalum jingyalang ha police border outpost ka Assam. Hakani ka jingyalang kabalong ha police border outpost lawan kinongyalam Sengphalang kenthop ya ka Karbi Students Association bat kirio rangbah ka Karbi nado na block 1 block 2 bat kilara sendon ya ka isu khaput bat airu ya ki dorkhat sha ka regional committee.
Itum ke 1951 anengkan notification ki pia boundary si ke kroy. Itu hin pen ke hang ke hang dawe. Bang si itu malong wang ore. Lasi council ana tu pen ke ne tum ke la constitutional boundary 1951 definition ki pi la sorting si tum ke otip. Athe ke la so same boundary 1969 ta publication thulelo. Meghalaya as autonomous state kising hut. Hala bangsu huta jokche pudunde Meghalaya pen. Lana hongoton ke ong lana MLA ke ong lana minister ke ong jokche pudunde choklo busigi pu. Uthot full fledged state ki pi 1971. Hala bangsu huta la bangsu boundary abang ke notification pichu delo. Hala bangsu huta jokche pudunde. Apa kon batai ki thom claim de aphi ke jokche puduna ba de report la bangsa boundary ke thir lo kente lasi la so boundary phansi kar bengalong ra re chini anla pen ke lana khelam pedam ju ditia bang ke ne tum ding dong de athe la ke border sor phan le kapasik sak so gali khelam pedam ju pulo dang de dan Karbi ang long ta constituency ner kebalong bang suring ko rai sia chumang do Meghalaya ta wrong troke bra phi Karbi do lasir ladak ko pene a problem do ko lodang te halatu nang sugun ta re lasi kaching wa ju je tik ke la constitutional boundary bangke ar kanang ni Lala konsol dulu. Muka cingwa jut kok ben lar pha. Rata cikroisa, kadoi cikroisa lale berela. Seta kacingwa jut jet tik. India government pen akak break a notification. Pipe tik ke la non a boundary abang ke kanang ni. Laelo council na tupen kipudun alang ke. Lake dual mutas na kali. Lasini li pudun lo. Nili pudun abang ke war games patunang ni. Politician atau war games patu nang ni. Border cross pen development ang people development ang pen pati bong nang ni. Voter list ang pen pati bong nang ni. Border ang cross pen high claim nang ni. Sorkar ang pen si ki claim pulo tengah sorkar besi pati rulo lagi. Lasi la high bank ke boundary cik cross zero nang ni. Nang tum dah citu wet no le tum dah citu wet. Nona kuke. Mohon lah kasih wai tang tetik.
Tiu sari juga pini la so mai ki di pon matlom suwet. La pen hala so long nang li kopi pi agenda main topic kopi si tanun lo. La pen reply kopi si nang pan pi ko.
Kali khan paju long le der lo. Nilimu penal tu mana ke than alam hai hu le thon ke than lo. Ala hai alam ke than paju long le der lo. La sini li tamang hulo. Council isi aman ke thedum. Karbi autonomous council 6 schedule pen CB. Council a view anta kipudun paju long le pulo tang te la dake mane kaching ki ching wai ke la ka hok belu. La ka hok belu. La si la so committee ko an si charbu wepin pen akam papicun jima bangke la bangke putete lo la ka manghu memelo imitang adim sa meeting dengan tu imitang minister tu kalau biang long arat lam kacit handu ke paju long senang pu dunang ke nije nang nelo pulang pun turong ke apa sih ledak apa kendili tuntam manghu hak lo
Pedak border meeting nang kedo itu regional committee pen ledak Khanduli bio bio lo lasi labang so meeting long isi manghu meme ke lo pini du hini apart meeting do Khanduli long isi lapen ladak itu masam long isi lasi haladak ben nang bardet minister from Meghalaya lapen itu ma Assam minister itu ma regional chairman Pius Hajurika alal itu dak bang ve ko jitu Meghalaya pen border ka dimang hada 0 point po just me pa so 0 point ke lake NEC road 0 point sita hada ka si border ka alang tum ka che jong hala dak ta alang tum humri la dak a phidat si dak meeting wang lo la dak meeting ing ni lo la bang so meeting along bang nim tu Karbi lo charlia song pen bang ke just me pet ning kang sam se la pen ning ke thedam de so si tum chepak lang a thepia bang ke la lo pini la bang so meeting along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen iltum kaching honai mate ning ka che thenai itum Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council advisor ke hai Alvin Teron alang li ke council hoi pen si lam the ke ning je dun lo la pen ke alang li ka ning je alam ke constitutional right ap thak si ka ning je dun jitu constitutional boundary kupima koson ma hala bang so thak si ka ning je dun labang so alam kaning je along sita me ilituma minister itu ninga che the labang so border bang ke proper demarcation ateng si aprang ateng si ke do thip nang ipu nangkar jap iji pu abang phusi itu Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pe nang ke che toy dun ilituma speaker pan akai Alvin Teron pan lam the kaning je pan judlong litet ke labang ke nilitum Karbi ga lo charnia song pen ke ning duk chipilo la pena bang ke nilitum ning ke the dam awedet lo la si labang so a leadership itu labang so regional committee leadership just semet pet Pius Hajurika phan pen se labang so border ji la penes per border ke do tang teng thir thip ji ba ke nitu ning khedam de der lo la sini li tuning ri lo the government of Assam itu ma chief minister sir Himanto Biswa Sharma alang li unana ke prapen labang so duyo hoi ke pa thir thibia phan kama thaduk bulo tangte regional committee a chairman ba ke larsi mesen ladak a hok per alam ka chini kang tung phan si e point nei ku sini li tung labang so media hin pe tuning ri lo